powering on your charged F1 hub and talk through of how the screen works. So first of all, we press the power button for 3 seconds and the screen will come on, as you can see here. Then at the moment we're in 0 assist, so we press the up arrow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we go into menu and we change the time, the odo, the average speed and the maximum speed and the trip. So if we press M really quickly twice, you will then come up with the menu. We can change the display language. We can change the system into imperial or metric. The brightness of the screen, automatic off. The USB port that's on the bottom of the screen, we can switch that on and off. We can do the clock and we can change the background as well. If we go back, we go to e-bike and we can put a password on. So this is a 4-digit code that you have to put in before the bike will assist you. Your assist level, the wheel size, the battery indicator. You can change this from voltage to percentage. The light sensor for the automatic lights, so we can switch that on and off too. And then your information on the bike, on everything that it's done.